Hey, got a tire tip for you today. If you're familiar with these mushroom insert plug type deals, these are meant to be inserted from outside the tire, which means obviously non-dismount. I've used them before. They're a little bit different than the actual worm ones that you shove in there with your prong, then pop out. Obviously with any of that, I use a little bit of tire sealant. It comes in a can, you undo it, and paint it on there kind of like with a brush. I always try to use some of this stuff, vulcanizing. I put it on the plug and all around it, inside and out, and I put it around the actual wound in the tire too. Makes it easier to go in. It's kind of an insurance policy as well. So I'm gonna explain to you how this works. So you actually load this plug in here, like yay, down in here, and they actually give you a little bit of oil to use. So you take that oil and you put it down in there, push the plug in, then you take this, screw that on there. Obviously make sure that it's all the way out, and then kind of like a caulking gun kind of an action. Put it in the actual wound of the tire, put it in there and pop it out. So here we have the plug inserted. I also put some of that green slime in the tires. This is a precaution as well. These tires are looking a little old, a little sun weathered. So that'll be our insurance policy, plus the actual vulcanizing fluid as well. I've used these before, but you know, for a small hole, the worm plugs are good. If you've got a good hand for it, I recommend the worm plugs. But if you got a big hole, like something like that, bigger than a pencil size, you might want to think about using one of these type